Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best bowling gloves is probably one of the most underrated pieces of equipment for any bowler. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the right glove can significantly improve your game. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of bowling gloves, exploring the different types available, the benefits they offer, and how to choose the perfect pair to elevate your performance on the lanes. Number 5. BowlingBall.com Monster Grip Bowling Glove. This glove from BowlingBall.com offers a unique style for a comfortable fit. It gives you monster gripping power on the ball, helping you improve your game. The textured and tacky palm provides more contact with the bowling ball. This feature allows for additional lift, turn, and revolutions, ultimately leading to higher scores. With this glove, you'll experience a superior grip. It helps you maintain control and improve your overall performance on the lanes. The hook and loop closure keeps the glove securely in place. It's easy to remove between frames, so you can quickly adjust as needed. This glove combines comfort and performance. It's designed to help you achieve monster scores while feeling great. What we like. This glove gives you monster gripping power, thanks to its unique styling and textured palm. It allows for additional lift and revolutions, leading to higher scores. If you are looking for a glove that maximizes your ball control and spin, this is the one for you. What people say. The glove gives me a better grip on the ball. Received what I order, good quality. Purchased this glove while participating in a bowling league and it really made a difference in my ball grip and handling. Highly recommend. Number 4. Professional Anti-Skid Bowling Gloves. These professional bowling gloves are designed specifically for the sport. They offer a comfortable and secure grip, enhancing your performance on the lanes. The gloves are not only professional but also fashionable. Its flexible design allows for a full range of motion, ensuring comfort during every game. They are designed for easy wear and adjustment. The adjustable feature ensures a perfect fit, making it convenient for all bowlers. The palm features anti-skid silicone printing. This provides an enhanced grip, allowing you to maintain control and improve your accuracy. The gloves are designed with a perfect palm-type fitting. This design ensures a comfortable fit, allowing for more comfortable movement. Made from breathable elastic lycra fabric, these gloves keep your hands cool and comfortable. This material allows for excellent ventilation, even during intense play. Available in sizes M and L, these gloves cater to different palm widths. Size M fits palm widths of 7 to 8 cm, while size L fits 8 to 9 cm. What we like. This glove features anti-skid silicone printing on the palm for a secure grip. The breathable lycra fabric ensures comfort during your game. If you are looking for a comfortable and adjustable glove that provides a secure grip, this is a great choice. What people say. Helps with keeping ball in position. Quality was good. Function was awesome. Color is good and grip is good. These work well with rubbing the ball down with a towel. Number 3. KR Strikeforce Pro Force Bowling Glove. This glove features a special gripping compound. It helps you maintain better control of the ball, improving your game. The palm and fingers are made of genuine leather. This provides a comfortable feel and enhances the glove's durability. This glove is designed to protect your hands. It helps prevent calluses, allowing you to bowl more comfortably. With this glove, you can achieve a more consistent ball roll. This will improve your accuracy and overall performance. This glove is designed to help you improve your game. It offers enhanced grip, protection, and a more consistent roll. What we like. This glove provides better control with its special gripping compound. The leather palm and fingers offer a comfortable feel and help prevent calluses. If you are a bowler who values both performance and comfort, you should consider this glove. What people say. Great glove. Very sticky, which makes me feel like I can lighten my actual grip. As a result of my lighter grip, I've seen improvements in accuracy and revs. Size guide is spot on. Glove has held up well though about 40 games. This glove is minimalistic. I have used the left-handed during league play and can say how pleased I am with the fit and the grip you get. I am still a beginner, but it has helped my play. Grip of the palm and fingers are very good and glove is comfortable. Number 2. Storm Power Glove Plus. This is the Storm Power Glove Plus. It's a sporting good designed for enhanced performance. You'll find it's a great addition to your gear. The item package dimensions are 4.0 inches in length, 4.0 inches in width, and 4.0 inches in height. It's designed to be compact and easy to handle. Weighing in at just 4.0 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight. This allows for greater maneuverability and less fatigue during use. This product is categorized as sporting goods. It's designed to improve your game. It's perfect for athletes of all levels. This product is made in China. It's manufactured with quality materials and designed for durability. You can rely on its performance. What we like. This glove is a sporting good, designed for bowling. It is lightweight and made in China. If you are looking for a basic glove, this is a good option. What people say. Comes with different height palm pads. Good support and grip with changeable pads. Fits snug, handles moisture well. Number 1. BSI Right-Handed Bowling Glove. This is the BSI Right-Handed Bowling Glove. It's designed to give you a superior grip and comfortable fit. The glove is perfect for bowlers of all levels. The tacky palm and fingers provide extra grip, helping you maintain control of the ball. This feature ensures that you can deliver consistent and accurate shots. With this, you'll be able to improve your game. The elastic cuff ensures a comfortable fit around your wrist. It allows for a full range of motion while keeping the glove securely in place. You'll barely notice it's there while you focus on your game. It features a hook and loop wristband fastener for a secure and adjustable fit. This allows you to customize the tightness for optimal comfort and support. This feature makes it easy to put on and take off. The package dimensions are 2.7 centimeters in length, 28.1 centimeters in height, and 14.6 centimeters in width. This compact size makes it easy to store and transport. Get yours today and start bowling like a pro. What we like. This glove features a tacky palm and fingers for extra grip. The elastic cuff and hook and loop wristband provide a comfortable and secure fit. If you like a glove with a secure fit and enhanced grip, you should consider it. What people say. These are new to me. I'm replacing some old gloves and these feel fantastic. The glove is well made and fits perfectly. Fantastic product and fit like a glove. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.